Hello YouTubers, this is Eric from Easy Computer Solution, and this is Microsoft Windows 10. Hello guys, this is Eric with another video, and today I started a new series called I'm doing tutorials for Windows 10. A lot of requests that I get is a lot of people that's coming from Windows 7 or just bought a new PC that does not know how to navigate some of the user interface and stuff like that. So I'm gonna break this down into a couple of videos, real quick videos, nice and easy. If you have any questions, leave comments down below, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. But we're going to go through some basic steps on introducing you, the beginner, to Windows 10. When you first buy a PC, you have to do the setup process. So that's one of the things you definitely have to do before proceeding to this part of the video. Now, this is what's called the user interface. Your PC may vary. If you notice that I have folders and all kinds of apps on my screen. Down here we call it it's the dock, which you can add programs and stuff like that to the dock. If you see at the bottom here, I have what's called the Edge browser. I have my folders, the Windows Store. I have my email. I have an Excel spreadsheet, Microsoft Word, Note, and I also have another couple of apps down here, Publisher and stuff like that. You know, so once we get into this a little more in future videos, we will go over it and everything. But for the most part, this is Windows 10. Down here is your start menu. So when you click there, it gives you up another menu. And these are some of the immediate apps. They say Life at a Glance. So what this does is it brings up your most used apps. Okay, and once you start using your PC more, Windows 10 put in this category here all the stuff that you use the most. But here they usually have different type of categories and stuff like that, and we're going to go through all of this stuff here. But if you click down here, what's called all apps, and if you have any new apps, it's going to have a new right next to it. And you can search the web and Windows. You have your power, your settings, file explorer, and again your most used apps. And over here again, if you scroll down, it has some of your apps and stuff like that. And I have Evernote, Netflix, Amazon, and Facebook, and all that good stuff like that. So once you start your PC and once you get to use it and stuff like this, you'll definitely get familiar with these apps here. But if you click on all apps, it's going to give you all your application in alphabetical order. So you just basically ABC, and these are all the apps that some of them are pre-installed and some of them are ones that I installed. Alright, so again, just kind of going over the basics. Once you boot up the PC, you put your username and password in, and this is a user interface. Now, pre-installed, you have what's called the Edge browser, and I'm going to click that, and this is your internet browser. And what that does is it again, it's going to take all the stuff that you usually do on your PC and kind of put everything together to kind of give you a user-friendly type interface. Right here, that's where you can always search. So just search Facebook and it pops up, and this is your internet. But as you accumulate a lot of apps and download a lot of programs, I always like to develop folders. And so going into Windows 10, you can always right click, just like if you remember on Windows 7, and you could do new and folder. Let's get that back in there, folder. So once you click on folder, and you can put stuff in folders, and you can just take it and drag and drop. So I'll take this folder here, this app, and I can just drag it and drop it. Boom, it's gone. But it's still there. It's just I just dragged it and dropped it in the folder. But for the most part, I just want to give you a small introduction, and I'm going to have many more tutorial videos about Windows 10. We're going to talk about Cortana and all that stuff like that. But I just want to kind of give you a basics on how to boot up the PC, you know, how to navigate, what is the start button here for, your most used apps. These are some of the programs and apps. This is your dock at the bottom, and again, it's pre-installed with Word. But for the most part, I just want to give you a basic tutorial on Windows 10. Subscribe to my channel, and we're going to have tutorials. I'm going to have many tutorials. But if you have a specific tutorial that you need help with, just leave a comment down below, and I will make a video about what you need help with. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solution, and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next tutorial. Peace.